reads right. We have less than 6 minutes.
Ben, you need to get inside now.
What's going on?
I ain't done arranging your flowers yet, egghead.
Ben, turn around.
Guys, I'm not gonna make it.
Ben, you gotta jump. It's the only way.
What are you doing?
Closing the shits.
You can't just leave them out there.
Watch me.
Okay, that's T-Bone. Wow.
You can't help them any more than I can.
I can try.
Come on, Ben, you got it. Okay, Johnny, get ready to close the portal.
Radioactive spider.
Maybe some David
It's like
stuff
a
this, like the
storm thing.
Congratulations, you're okay now, but
Hey,
How in the hell are they alive?
Been lift?
They
Been lift?
Back on Earth. We're in quarantine.
Pretty bad.
Medical facility.
So beautiful.
his green.
He's cuter.
Oh, they're fine. Everybody else is fine.
Everybody else? Stop it.
What's wrong with me?
I swear to you, Ben, they've done everything humanly possible. The best plastic surgeons in the world are here, Ben. You had the best.
Give me that mirror.
I don't know if that's a good idea. They said the shock alone.
Give me that goddamn mirror.
Too. The poster.
Be strong.
Oh crap.
Okay. What? Let me see. Oh. Oh. Like a Hulk, not Hulk.
I like the
They're gonna like slowly affect their distinct traits over time.
so sassy and funny.
Oh, this is because
That's such a weird thing to do.
Oh my
God, she's got low.
Of course she does. Of course she does.
the only one.
How's she doing?
Stable and her vitals are strong.
Blood panels show no irradiation. Good.
I'm smarter than every 4 hours. Yes.
This doctor's like, please stop doing my job, sir.
Another day of observation. and we're clear.
I too studied science.
All these fun bouquets, and he's got one flower.
Now who looks that pretty in a hospital? Nobody.
He's her.
Put the sunflowers
They're cursed too.
They're her favorites.
Oh.
See, he knows. He knows what's up.
Yeah.
You can't just get her a whole giant thing of
She
balls.
did upgrade. She downgraded.